Me want know how you been texting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev B. So for this video, we are starting off with the hair naturally black, and this hair is from Ywigs.com, and this is their loose wavy hair. So I want to dye this hair a honey blonde, and I just want the hair to have different tones of blonde. So I'm starting off with Quick Blue Developer and 40 volume developer. So actually the Quick Blue was a powder, so I'm just gonna use 3 scoops of the Quick Blue, and this will dye the hair like almost instantly. And then I'm gonna add the 40 volume developer, and I'm just using this by eye. I'm just gonna mix it out to a consistency, and this is the consistency that I like to use when I am bleaching hair. So I'm just going to take the application brush, and you guys can just watch how I apply the solution onto the hair. So basically what I do is I turn the brush sideways, and I just make streaks along the hair. So I do this at random, but I make sure not to go close to the roots because I don't want the roots to be blonde. I want it to remain naturally black. So we're just doing strands, and I'm not doing this uniformly, I'm just going randomly. So you guys can just watch to see how I apply that. And I'm doing some sections lighter, some sections a little bit more heavier than some, because as I said, I want different tones of blonde. So just watch how I do it. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. You don't have to be a professional to do this. Make sure that you're wearing gloves because this is a chemical solution, and make sure you have a couple windows open so that your room gets aired out. So as I said, just continue to watch how I apply the solution and see how I bleach this hair honey blonde. Now that I'm satisfied with the application, I'm going to leave the hair to process for about an hour, and then I'm going to wash it out and deep condition the hair. So this is what it's looking like after it's washed out. And guys, do not blow dry the hair. If you have a diffuser, you can do that, but we want the hair to stay its natural loose wave, because I feel like if you blow it out, it's going to make it look a little bit trashed out and fuzzy and frizzy and all of that, so you don't want that. So now I'm just gonna put some setting powder on my wig cap, and I'm just going to dab that all over so that it looks more realistic, like its scalp. If you have a darker tone wig cap, you can go ahead and use that, but the wig cap, the darker tone that I have, is a little bit too dark and it will just look too unrealistic, so I am using a lighter cap, then adding my shade of setting powder. So this is how the wig is looking. It's so beautiful, it's so fluffy, and this is the band in the back. You can get the elastic band if you want to tighten it some more, but I am fine with just tightening the band in the back. And I'm going to use the setting powder that I used before on the lace, and I love how it makes the lace look. It looks so much more natural. And I'm just going to show you guys how I dust it off after I put the powder on the lace. So I apply it to the areas which are going to be shown more, and then as you guys can see, there's a bunch of loose powder there. So I'm just going to take this got to be shine or sheen spritz shining spray, and I spray it on the front right there, and it comes out looking so natural, so silky, and it's just absolutely perfect. Now to put on the wig, I'm just gonna align it to my natural frontal, or rather how my edges are aligned. I don't even know how to describe that, but it's just perfect. And now I'm going to take the got to be glue, and I'm just going to use the tail of my rat tail comb to apply the got to be glue. And this is a gel, and all you need is water to remove it. I prefer to use this gel to tack down my frontal because it's easy to remove. It's harmless to your edges if taken off or removed properly. Just add water, as I said, and it's so easy. I haven't used anything else because I don't trust anything else with my edges, and this is just my go-to. So I'm putting it very light because if you use too much glue on the frontal, it will look really fake and cakey and just weird. So I use as minimal as possible to lay my frontal, and it works great for me. So I'm just gonna tack it down everywhere, the sideburns or the very ends. Make sure you do that properly. You do it very lightly, and yeah, just take your time. You don't have to rush this step. Like, really take your time because you don't want to put too much of the gel in one place and it just looks super weird. So tying it down is optional. I like to tie it down sometimes because it makes it dry quicker. It's easier to handle. Like, it stays in place when I tie it down for about 10 minutes, and that's basically it. And yeah, the hair is like fully complete. This is so easy. I love the hair. I love how it looks against my skin tone. I absolutely love honey blonde. I know in the fall I go for darker tones, so I wanted to stay with a darker blonde as opposed to like a number 27 harsh bleach blonde. I love honey blonde for the fall. It's just very pretty. I love it on my skin tone. So this is the end of the video. Everything you guys will need will be in my description box down below. I got this hair in 18 inches. It is 180% density. You guys can see that the hair is super versatile. You can like put it in a half up, half down type of look. It's just super effortless. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chev. Use my code Chev on their website to get a discount. And that's basically it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't subscribed, go on ahead and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.